Hello! Welcome to Miki's Kitchen. Today is the 92nd day. From today, I'll introduce some kinds of Japanese sweets, wagashi. Today's wagashi is Warabimochi. This is a typical Japanese summer sweet. Warabimochi is made from warabi powder. Warabi means bracken, so warabi powder is made from the root of bracken. But actually, it is made from sweet potato, not bracken. Where bracken powder is very expensive and hard to find in the general supermarkets. But you can make a delicious warabi mochi with this kind of powder. Or you can substitute potato starch. Well, let's get started making Japanese sweets. This is Warabimochi powder, so add Warabimochi powder in a pot. And sugar and water in a pot. And mix well. Then heat it on high heat and mix slowly for 3 to 4 minutes with a wooden spatula. When the liquid gets sticky, turn down the heat to medium and mix quickly. And when it gets stickier, like this, turn off the heat and move it to a tray which is wet. Okay, and cool it. Next, I'm gonna make mixed kinako powder. This is kinako or roasted soybean flour. It's used for various kinds of Japanese sweets. Add kinako in a bowl. And add sugar. And mix well. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make kuromitsu or brown sugar syrup. So add brown sugar and zarame. This is high quality sugar. If you don't have it, you can substitute sugar for it. and water. Then heat it until it gets thick. Okay, so turn off the heat and move it to a cup. This is kuromitsu or brown sugar syrup. When the warabimochi gets cool, take it from the tray. And cut it into bite-sized pieces. Like this, and mix with kinako powder. Add kinako powder. And coat them with kinako powder. Okay. And serve them in a cup. Okay. And last, pour kuromitsu or brown sugar syrup. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so chewy and delicious. I like it. Well, tomorrow I'll make another flavor of warabimochi. So see you tomorrow.